Ta-da! We have a very simple house, but a house is a house. Pretty comfy.
Basement of that building. Oh, new house? Whose house is that? It looks... You know what this house reminds me of? Something I was considering buying and getting for a handcam stream. It looks exactly like it. Have you guys not played with this when you were young? I played with this. It's so fun. Is that Ina's house?
Hello? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing at me?
No, it's still cute.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing at me?
Oh, it hurts, it hurts. Oh.
Stop laughing at me.
You have a really nice house, Ina. Really nice house.
I don't trust your words.
Gives me memories of the past that are so fond to me and so precious to me. The house reminds me of a house I've once built myself with my own hands.
I see.
It's just too similar. It amuses me. The similarities amuse me.
Uh-huh.
But it's not bad. It's just, yeah, it's beautiful. It's very bricky.
Okay.
It's
I'll
not a bad thing.
trust you
It's
for
not a bad thing.
this time. Okay, I gotta go do the dungeons from yesterday. I'll
Oh,
see
good
you
luck with
around.
that.
Thank you.
So, sorry for my laughter. Yeah, I was just too happy to see something from past memories. I'm crying.
I see.
Thank you for reminding me of such beautiful times.
No problem.
It's funny because normally the things she builds, sorry, RP off, is normally the builds she makes in Minecraft are like so intricate, right? Like interesting shapes, original shapes. And then now it's this and I had to think of something so specific. Yeah, I guess it's a different person. She does not have much building experience yet. I really cried from that. I laughed a little bit too much. Please, Takodachis, have mercy. I was... You must understand. Ooh. Eh?